Second, and also the last piece of Apple news, a little bit more information on their mixed reality headset.
Yeah.
So they're doing AR, VR. Well, rumors and things are pointing at it. Apparently, a really big deal to them. Well, you can see the headline here, Gizmodo. Apple's mixed reality headset might be light AF. How about that for a headline?
Oh, okay.
Apparently, it's a big deal to them that the thing is lightweight. Now, what I like about this article is it gave some examples of things that are similar in weight to the rumored weight of the headset, so you can better imagine what that would be like to be wearing.
So it's like a banana, and you put
Banana for
on
scale.
your head.
A banana for scale.
Well, you could put it on your head and see how it feels.
What's interesting, though, I wouldn't do that myself.
No, I would.
What's interesting is they actually used an apple instead of banana, and
Oh, okay. Yeah, apple. Why didn't I think of that?
as a reference because it's
Right.
apple.
I hear you.
And also, the apple might sit on the head better if you were actually trying to do. Anyway, it's 150 grams, apparently. This is the rumor. 150 grams, the equivalent of 5 ounces. Now, actually, you want to know what a better gauge is? Headphones. This is a thing you already wear on your head. Now, I happen to know many of my favorite headphones come in ever so slightly heavier than this reading, than this headset. So that means it's a pretty light headset, 150 grams. It's roughly equivalent to the weight of a baseball, a deck of cards, a checkbook, a medium-sized apple, or a small bottle of glue. It would be lighter than an iPhone 12. iPhone 12, 164 grams. That's pretty lightweight for a headset,
yeah.
no?
Yeah. And with a battery inside.
Mm-hmm. See, I've been goofing with the Oculus Quest
2. Yes.
And man, to not have any wires, and I'm drawing my gameplay area, and I'm goofing around and goofing about, and having a time, having a heck of a time.
Yeah.
In there, and I'm starting to realize that the more it becomes so much more immersive and believable as you're able to eliminate the friction point. So first it was the cable. Next is going to be the physical contraption and weight of the thing that's going to allow it to sort of vanish, and you're going to forget that you're wearing it, which creates those immersive moments. So anyway, we don't really know what Apple's trying to do with this thing. Apparently, they don't expect to sell a whole lot of them, but it's more, it's an early device, and it's just rumors as it stands right now. But apparently weight is going to be a big deal to them. I believe they're going to use hybrid Fresnel lens design. This again comes from Ming Chi. 3 stacked Fresnel lenses with a lot of concentric grooves etched into the material. Fancy optics, allowing you to focus light in a way that's similar or potentially better than a conventional lens. And you can use plastic instead of glass to save weight. Are you happy about that?
Fresnel?
Yeah, I don't think you pronounce it like that, but anyway. It's a fancy word. We were talking about this earlier, like silent letters.
Always gets me.
Unbelievable, these silent letters.
Worst.